Hey everyone, day 2 update. So, got all of the trim, the baseboards down, all of the trim around the doors is gone. This thing is clutch. I only use it when I heat up the house and then I turn it off to prevent carbon monoxide. But got the trim off and door frame out for the bathroom. Got the trim for the small bedroom, and then got most of the walls down in here. Got that wall down. That was the first one that came down. Got the closet all gutted. Everything's good to go there. Just got these 2 remaining walls. I didn't get any footage from yesterday because I was just getting things knocked out, but definitely get you guys some time-lapse footage today. And this is the process. We've gotten things done. But I still think it's absolutely amazing. You have an apartment with an actual woods. Sure, it needs love, but what doesn't? All right, everyone. Well, I'm waiting for my contractor to show up to talk about window frames and things of that nature. I'm gonna start tearing apart this hallway. So there's any number of ways that you can demo drywall. What I like to do is I like to score it with a knife, and then you can pull out the individual pieces on each individual wall face. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna score around this door frame, and then I'm gonna pull down all the drywall associated with it. Doesn't take long. Next thing, most important thing, base protection. Especially when dealing with this old drywall. Perfect. This little edge is always going to be a pain no matter what you do. And it always comes out in pieces. It's time to drop the ceiling. This one's gonna be a good one. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. Again, I'm Will, and this is Welcome Family Works. I didn't get as much done as I wanted to this weekend, but I got a full dumpster, and I will only demo as much as it'll fit in the dumpster. So, but we did get the big bedroom all cleaned out. Everything's, carpet's out, everything. Don't worry, that's not mold. That is former rubber-backed carpet. So, but we got, flip you around. But we got this hallway knocked out, this whole room knocked out, cleaned up. Oh, I got to take that propane tank to the garage. I'm glad I came back in here. Got the carpet out of this room, got all the trim, everything out, around. Got that closet cleaned out, as well as that closet cleaned out, pantry. So. Still got lots to do, still got more, but again, I can't say it enough. How many apartments these days have views like that? Like that. And like that. There aren't many. Also, most apartments don't come with a nice fireplace and a hearth. But had 15 cubic feet of material out of this apartment. The dumpster is full. Thanks for watching. Again, I'm Will, and this is Wolcott Family Works. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, comment. I didn't get too much into the demo footage, but I did get some pretty decent shots, I think. So, yeah, always improving, making things better. And again, I'm doing all of this, like, did I need to demo? Probably to the extent that I'm demoing this apartment? No. However, I wanted to check everything out, and I also wanted to open it up so I could install full heating and air conditioning, centralized heating and air conditioning, and get rid of those electric baseboard heaters. Throwing those away was probably the biggest success of this weekend, and making it feel good for me and accomplished. So, but lots more to do. I'll probably be coming back up. I'm going to demo this room, demo that room, and also open the floor plan up. So this wall is not load bearing, so the wall is going to go all the way up to that wall. This wall will go to here, and it'll be open as well. And then this whole wall right here is going. So the floor plan is going to be open flooring. The kitchen will not end right there. There'll be an island right here. So it'll be a nice area there. This will be gone. That will be gone. And then, so this will be none of this here other than an island. Just open it up, make it more spacious, feel spacious down here. So that's what I believe would be a good thing. Again, I'm Will, and this is Wolcott Family Works. Thank you for watching. This is the origin home of the Wolcott Family Works channel. This is the house I was born and raised in. So take care of yourself. Take care of others. I had my best friend over here earlier today, and he's just a giving good person because he knows that I give any chance I can to always return that favor. So that's the nature of it. So have a great one. Be safe. Take care of yourself. Keep improving. Have a good one.